morning, dear students. Today we are going to learn exercise 13.1, question number 12. Assume that each born child is equally likely to be a boy or a girl if a family has two children. What is the conditional probability that both are girls? Given that in first case the youngest is a girl and in second at least one is a girl. So here first we have to find sample space of two children in a family. Okay, so what is the case? First case is first one is boy, second one is girl. Second case, second girl, sorry, first girl and second boy. Third possibility is both are girl, and fourth probability is both are boys. So it means n of s is equals to 4. Now see, we have to find a conditional probability that both are girls. Okay, so it is called A. Let event A is equals to both are girls. Okay, so is equals to only one case both are girls, GG. So is equals to, we can write P of A is equals to here 1. So P of A is equals to 1 upon 4. Okay, total number of outputs will be 4. Now see, in first case the youngest is a girl given. So it is called event B. First let event B is equals to youngest is a girl. The youngest is a girl. Okay, it means second baby is a girl. See, so in first case DG and in third case GG in the youngest. So is equals to, we can write 2. So what is the probability of B? So P of B is equals to 2 by 4. It is equals to, we can write 1 by 2. Now see, we have to find P of A given B. It means we have to find the probability of both girls given that the youngest is a girl. Is equals to, we can write P of A intersection B upon P of B. So for that also we have to find out intersection of A and B. Okay, so in A GG and in B is GG is common. So also we can write A intersection B is equals to GG is equals to 1. Therefore P of A intersection B is equals to 1 by 4. Now put the value of A intersection B as well as P of B. So we get 1 by 4 upon P of B is 1 by 2. 1 by 2. So 2 to the 4. So we get 1 by 2 is the answer. In second number, given that at least one is a girl. So we have to find out. It is called event B. Let event C. It is called event C. Is at least one is a girl. Okay. So it is first or second, but at least one girl. So one or two is a girl. So see, in first case BG, then GB and BG. So three possibilities of at least one is girl. So it is equal to, we can write 3. So what is the probability of C? So we can write P of C is equals to 3 by 4. Also we have to find out A intersection C. Okay, A intersection C. So see, which one is common from both A and C is GG. So we can write J is equals to 1. Therefore P of A intersection C is equals to 1 by 4. Now use conditional probability and find the probability of both are girl given that at least one is a girl. So we know that P of A given C, here C is given in second case, is equal to, we can write P of A intersection C upon P of C. So A intersection C is 1 by 4. 1 by 4 upon P of C is 3 by 4. So here 4 cancel out. So we get 1 by 3. The next question number 13. An instructor has a question bank consisting of 300 easy true false questions, 200 difficult true false questions, 500 easy MCQs and 400 difficult MCQs. So here find out two types of questions given. First one is true false questions and second one is multiple choice questions. Okay. So for second place, write down one table. So first question is true false and second one is MCQs. Okay. So and two types of questions, easy as well as difficult. So here write down easy questions and difficult. Okay. So see, now from question, fill up this given table. So 300 easy true false questions. Easy true false questions will be 300 and 200 difficult true false questions. Here write down 200 difficult true false questions. 500 easy MCQs. So here write down 500 easy MCQs and 400 difficult MCQs. Means 400 difficult MCQs. Now find out total number of true false questions, MCQs as well as easy and difficult questions. So here 300 plus 200 will be 500, 5 plus 4 900, here 3 plus 5 800 and 2 plus 4 600. So total number of questions will be 1400. Okay, 6 plus 8 14 as well as 9 plus 5 14. Now see, what is our question? If a question is selected at random from the question bank, what is the probability that it will be an easy question given that it is an MCQ? So first write down total number of questions is equals to 1400. Okay, it is clear from table. Now see, also find out the probability of an easy question. Okay, it is called event A. Let event A is equals to an easy question. An easy question. See, total number of easy questions is 800 because we are not mentioned true, false or MCQ. So total number of easy questions is 800. Is equals to write down 800. Therefore, probability of A is equals to 800 upon 1400. So 0 will be cancelled out. So we get 8 by 14. Also we have to cancel out. So we get 2 4s and 2 7s. Okay. Also we have to find out it is an MCQ. So it is called P of B. So let event B is equals to a MCQ question. So total number of MCQ question is 900. So is equals to write down 900. Therefore P of B is equals to 900 upon 1400. Again 0 cancel out. So we get 9 by 14. Now from conditional probability also we have to find out A intersection B. It means easy as well as MCQ. See, easy as well as MCQ is 500. So also find out A intersection B is equals to easy and MCQ is equals to 500. Therefore P of A intersection B is equals to 500 upon 1400. 0 will be cancelled out. So we get 5 by 14. Next we have to apply conditional probability and find out P of A given B is equals to P of A intersection B upon P of B. P of A intersection B upon P of B is equals to P of A intersection B is 5 by 14 upon P of B is 9 by 14. So 14 will be cancelled out. So we get 5 by 9. Is it clear? Okay, here the value of P of A is not 2 by 7, it is 4 by 7. Because 2 4s are 8 and 2 7s are 14. So 2 will be cancelled out. So it gives 4 by 7.